Hello, my name is Jamie Westfold, and this is my final presentation for Info 244. I'm focusing on the challenges faced by indexing digital images and some of the methods used in overcoming them and the various strategies involved. Manual indexing requires knowledgeable participants to create metadata for each image on a piece-by-piece basis. This can be incredibly time-consuming for a large collection. Deciding on what defines the image can be subjective, with different indexers noticing different aspects of a picture. Much of what defines an image requires additional knowledge of its historical background and location. When it comes to tagging, there is no decided upon method of assigning metadata in the form of tags to an image. There is no standardization which leads to bloated numbers of tags. The tags include misspellings and synonyms, which can make it difficult for searchers to locate all relevant results. Most of the tags end up being added by the uploader, and their tags can be intended for personal use and not applicable for the regular searcher. For automatic indexing, some of the challenges they face is that programs have difficulty identifying abstract ideas such as mood or theme. They may not be able to locate the specific location of an image unless it was recorded with the image. For some methods that rely on keywords, there is not a standardized vocabulary or data set to train the bot in identifying images. If an image is too busy for other methods, the images overlap, and some programs have difficulty differentiating the different aspects of the images to properly identify it. There are a number of different methods for the manually creating records for images. One researcher, Sarah Shatford, describes a method of identifying the subject metadata of an image using the strategy of who is in the images, what are they doing, where are they, when, what the time is. And then furthermore, another one, Jorgensen, James Bennett, in a paper of theirs, propose a method using a pyramid diagram. The pyramid starts at the top with the easiest to identify topics based on the visuals alone and what is seeable in that image. And as the pyramid descends, the level of knowledge required to identify the aspects of the image increases, with finally fully abstract ideas or themes that the image might be presenting. Tagging as a method of organization indexing has a number of advantages. Tagging has the website users create their own metadata for the images they upload or observe. It is cheaper than having experts index the images, and it is accomplished much faster with a larger number of people. The tags can be representative of natural languages used by the untrained searchers, making it easier for people to locate images. Having a program that automatically indexes images for searchers and retrieves them also has many advantages. Automatic searching has a number of different techniques for identifying images. Some of them rely on dividing up the image and focusing on smaller parts of it at a time to identify the subjects of the image. Others focus on the colors involved in the pixels and differentiates the pictures by that. A few are created by having them learn from an index selection of images that are then used to identify other images that are added later. Another method is to create a decision tree, where the program checks in at each level to see if the image matches that particular branch to come up with the subject. There are many different methods for properly indexing images. And as time goes on, the programming and capabilities will continue to improve.